All right, guys. So just had Tesla service out to the house, and they came and installed HomeLink in my Model Y or my Model 3. Sorry. So if I understand this right, so I've set up my garage door as Ray. You can auto fold the mirrors. Oops. You can auto open when arriving. Right now I have it set to 10 feet. I'll experiment with that and see how it works. And I can also do an auto close when leaving. Oh, of course, okay. Chime for auto open, auto close. Alright, so there we go. It's that easy. Now, the guy installed it, he had to do some stuff in the frunk. But that's the chip, so to speak, goes up in the front right next to the bumper. Okay, so what do you say we try it out a little bit? Alright, so let's see what happens. If I remember right. Do I have a car behind me? No, I don't. Settings. Go back, settings, Ray. Let's undo that. So the auto fold, anytime it's near the house, it's going to fold the mirrors. Auto open on arriving at 10 feet. Okay. So let's see what it does. It should be coming up where it detects it soon. Okay, it detects it. Okay, there you go. Now it's only set to 10 feet. It might be 10 feet from the garage door opener. Does that sound fair? That sounds about fair. Okay, so there we go. It opened. Ta-da! Now, will it auto close? Okay, let's activate it. All right. Shift into reverse. Is it going to activate it? No. So I have to activate it manually. Okay. And will it activate the close? Well, it hadn't activated yet. Okay, we're still within range. Okay, so it wasn't necessarily about 40 feet, but I don't know. Okay, we're now out of range. And it did not activate. Okay. You know, at the moment, if I have to do it manually, I'm okay with that. It's small things, one piece at a time. Go squirrel. Go squirrel. Mr. Buck's still sitting there. I have my place. I'm the king of the kingdom. Oh, that is a butt. Just young. Okay, no, the garage door did not close. Okay. So you click on it, it activates. Ray canceled. Wasn't being Ray canceled. I got the other buck sitting over here, just relaxing. It looks like his ear's been punctured a few times. Okay, so some education on the part of Mr. Ray is required. I don't doubt that the system itself is working. And this makes a lot more sense that Summon wouldn't actually control it. It's programming in the setup. Opens in 5 feet. Opening now. And there's the chime. The door is opening. Beautiful. Okay, park. Park. Okay. What am I missing? Come over here to the home icon. Go to settings. Click on Ray. Auto open when arriving, 10 feet. Auto close when leaving. So it's when it's leaving. Okay. Tap to reverse. Okay, so it says it's going to close in 20 feet. 10 feet. 5 feet. And it is activated. Okay, there you go. I probably was just too happy to do the activate. Alright, so if I slide it forward, drive forward, should come up with a message. Okay, I may still be in I'm leaving mode. Okay, whatever. Peace and Army. What's cool is in Grandpa, I could hit this activate. Bam, it opens. But talking to the technician, he passed on the settings part, and it at least works part of the time. So the question is understanding what conditions does it operate in. Okay, but there we go. Cool, awesome. Onward, upward charge. Am I quite ready to put one in my Model Y yet? Not quite, but I'm kind of excited about it. Now, we did talk some about, so my friend has she lives in the gated community, and the question is, will the car learn the gate code? And I don't know. We'll have to see. But that's next on my experimentation list. Because if that works, man, we are doing good. All right. The other part over here, it may be simply a matter of the actually smart summon guys. Actually, it's more about the robotaxi, right? Whichever one, working it out, figuring out how, working all the situations when the door is supposed to open and close and all that stuff. Okay? More to experiment with, but there you go. HomeLink 3, I think it is. Pretty cool. Works. Nothing to it. And thank you, Tesla.